Hello and welcome to Certisured UniTrack program. In short, it's an add-on industry excellence certification program for university students. Well, in 2019, Mint came up with an article which says, in the job markets, a higher education degree is often a road to nowhere. It also supplied some statistics which said 14.2% of postgraduate students are not able to find job, and 16.3% of graduates also are not able to find job. And later that year, India Today also gave a very alarming statistics, which says over 80% Indian engineers are unemployable and they lack new age technology skills. That's what the report says. We created Certisured's unique program to make sure that the student can get that certificate without hindering the flow of their university studies. In UniTrack program, student needs to invest only 4 weeks in a semester. And within 2 semesters, the student will complete a mentored, project-based add-on certificate, assured to make him stand out and have the confidence of getting a job. To understand and to create this structure, we had to first understand what is an actual load of a university student. So we put it in a graph and we realized that the load of the student actually moves in time from semester beginning to end semester, as you can see in the green volume here. Initially, there's a relaxed phase, and after that, there are certain tests or exams and stuff that will come up, and then there's another relaxed phase. So all of these dips are the relaxed phases. So the relaxed phase is actually a good time to invest into all the add-on certificates that are required. But we want to make a system out of it. We want to make it a different process out of it. So this relaxed phase can actually be seen as a certain set of weeks which we get. So we will want to find or discover these 4 weeks, week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, in the first 3 months of a semester, and leaving the rest of them for the practicals and the assignments and the end semester exams for the student. We don't want to trouble them in this. We want to just motivate them to finish the first module within these 4 weeks. So roughly 4 weeks per semester roughly turns out to be 20 days in a semester. And in 2 semesters, a well-crafted, well-mentored professional certificate can be finished. And that's what we want to bring in for the students. And it requires a very systematic approach. We want to try to make it more interesting for the students by bringing them cutting-edge certification programs. We've got artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, Python programming, and data-driven marketing. The data-driven marketing is the hot new thing in the market, which combines digital marketing, growth hacking, statistics, and AI and automation. So because we have expertise in these aspects, we want to bring in digital marketing with AI and automation also. Any student out there who wants to come out with an engineering degree and wants to get a job in engineering domain needs to have proficiency in programming. We want to cover that also. And cybersecurity is one of our flagship programs where we completely go into the depth of ethical hacking and all the different penetration testings out there, Android, network, web penetration, and all that. And cloud security is one of the other quintessential program. And we also have digital forensics. So there are so many programs out there for students to try out. Mark Twain said that the secret to getting ahead is getting started. Starting is not most people's problem. Staying, continuing, and finishing is people's problem. So we at Certisured want to address these issues. Can a student stay? Can a student continue? Can a student finish? What we did is we went ahead and got in international experts on cognitive development to attach with our courses. We've got Nelly Caldera with us, who's a self-mastery coach. She's an NLP coach, a master practitioner from California, United States. And she will be intervening with our students throughout the course, helping them achieve the personal transformation that is required. She will help our students in understanding the values and goal settings strategies. It'll help them achieve an action oriented strategy and have the clarity to finish the goal that has been set. What we've realized it not is that not all students are same. So we try to bring the courses in a different way. We've got two different tracks for the students. The first track, we call it UniTrack Phaser. This set is for those who want to take it slow. Any given course of the course that we saw, AI, Python, digital marketing, cybersecurity, any given course, if the student is in third, fourth, fifth, or sixth, then we would encourage them to go for a module-based certification. Means if there is a certification, it will be divided into many modules. So they will get a sub-certification for each module. They only enroll for that module. They explore. Once the module one is finished, they go to the second module. So this is a very phased manner in which they achieve that certificate. And that's why we call it UniTrack Phaser. For those who are in 7th and 8th semester, we expect them to have a little higher capacity and maturity, having covered these semesters. For those, we have a fast track, for what we call a UniTrack Laser. And it is going to be a continuous engagement. And it is actually like the industry certificate, which people take after finishing the degree. But of course, the results are fast, and the expectation and the investment in time per week is also higher. And we will make sure that the student actually shows up and is motivated and has the rewards that are required to keep him motivated. Well, so these are the perks, these are the different ways. The question is, are you ready to make the final cut? Before I end this presentation, I want to emphasize the fact that UniTrack is specific to a particular university. If there is a University X, all the students in the batch will be from this university, because that helps us to set the calendar in the right order. All the exams, the internals, events, everything is in sync, so that we can utilize the remaining of the time to get the student finish the add-on certificate. UniTrack is for highly motivated students only. There's also a minimum batch size required. It's not going to work if there is just 2 or 3 students. So we would require the student to send us an expression of interest. I thank you all for listening in, and got any questions, as you know, you can find more information in the descriptions below in this video. Thank you so much, and see you soon in the course.